Look, look. What is that? What is that? What are we doing? What is this? You're not so good at this, James. You're not so good at this.
Does he like it?
He's interested. Show Dad. Oh, a star is born. It's not very
Good tact.
This is for Grandma and Grandpa to see. The big, momentous occasion.
Jeez.
You're a big boy. Yeah. You're a big boy now.
Still on the show.
Are you catching this on film, Mom? Show Grandma, Grandpa. Show them. We could be here all night. Oh, pretty much 1/8 goes in, the rest comes out.
Wow, jeez.
What do you think?
Put that in a bottle?
Huh?
Can you just put that in a bottle?
No. The directions clearly stated, feed with a spoon, not a bottle. James!
He has a message to send.
No. It may take a long time. But you know what? I think he's into it.
Gosh. Oh, jeez.
Oh, that one went in. What do you think? Is this good stuff? Oh, that one went in.
You're not eating, big man.
This is it. This is big time.
He's sleeping with that one. That was the best spoonful yet.
What do you think? There's more to life than just a nipple. This is just the beginning.
This is what I was thinking, Mom.
Is that good, James? James, is that good? Yeah. That's good stuff. Yeah. Do you like that? What do you think? I don't know. What do you think? I think we have a winner.
You like it?
He gets all excited when it comes towards him.
Is it good? You sucking on the milk or your lip?
His little tongue keeps coming out. Look at him. Very good.
I'm waiting for this once.
Oh. I've been watching you people do this for a while. Now I realize. He's already getting good. You're already getting good. What is Dad laughing at? This is big time. This is big time. You are good. Yes, you are. Doesn't take too long. Yeah, tell Grandma and Grandpa. Tell them. Tell them. It's real deal now. It's real deal now. Yeah. Real deal. Yes, it is. Alright. I think Grandma and Grandpa got the gist of it. What do you think? Yes, you're good. I know. This is a little trial run. We'll see how you do. Tell him. Say, look at me, Grandma and Grandpa. Look at me. That's good stuff, isn't it? Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Matt, you are good. See, alright, Grandma, Grandpa? We're gonna keep on eating because this could take a while.